All right, so today we are checking out this older Simplicity Broadmoor. It's got an 18 horsepower Briggs and Stratton V-twin engine. Got a 2-year warranty. I think it's outlived that. Here's the model number of the engine. I'll put that in the description below. I really like these older V-twins. They seem to be pretty powerful. Go. I will definitely look up the year on this thing and post it down below or in the title. We have a 50-inch mower deck on it. We got a blower. The guy who owns this uses it obviously to clean up his yard. He said he bought this brand new for about $5,000 many years ago. It's a really solid, well-built machine. The only thing I had to do with it this time around was to find out what was going on with the electrical, because it didn't want to start, and I found it was just a loose battery connection. So, here, let me get the model number of the deck here for you. Looking at 1693267, and the tractor itself, model 1693275, right there. Once again, we got the Briggs and Stratton engine. Here's some information about the tractor, hydrostatics and part numbers, belts, and over here, if you want to paint it, there's information about the paint. All right, one Simplicity Broadmoor lawn tractor. Nice machine. What do we got for hours? Not bad. All right. Thanks for watching.